Good morning. Can you hear me? Oh, yes. Thank you so much. Welcome to my class. Long time no see. Yeah. Oh, no, 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 no. No? Yeah. But mostly afternoon. Yeah. Yes, I think so too. Okay, so how are you, Yushi-san? I'm doing good too. Thank you for asking. How about the weather? How's the weather today? Okay. Mm. Oh, oh, okay. Season. Oh, yeah. Yeah. I heard that too. That the summer is longer this year than last years or previously years. Maybe because of climate change. Exactly. Yeah. So don't forget to drink a lot of water all the time. Oh, hmm. Okay, I see. That's good to know too. Yes. How about your breakfast? Did you eat breakfast? Oh, yes. Yes. What do you usually eat for breakfast? Mm-hmm. Oh, yes. Oh, okay. So typical breakfast. I see. Thank you so much. So do you have any plans for today? Special plans? Okay. Shogi. Oh, that's cool. It's every Friday? Is it a Thursday? Oh, okay. Thursday. Sorry. Yeah. Thursday. Ah, so sorry. Okay. So every Thursday, only one day in a week. You can do all these things. Oh, yes, of course. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much for sharing me that, Yushi-san. So how about you? Do you have any questions? Okay, let's study your lesson. Are you ready? Thank you. Yes. So lesson 53. Can you open the lesson material, please? Okay. Okay. Can you please read the title of our lesson? Do you usually skip meals, Yushi-san? Okay. Yes, it's important. Mm, yes. Ah, Yeah, but now, not anymore. Not relaxing. Relax and eat. Enjoying life. Right? Okay, thank you so much. So let's go with your exercise number one. Picture description. Can you please describe the picture shown below? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. That's right. That's food. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. That's right. Mm-hmm. Yes. 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 Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yes, exactly. Mm-hmm. Yes, exactly. Yes, very good. Wow, that's so perfect. Thank you so much for describing the pictures. It looks a very expensive kitchen inside the restaurant, right? Okay. So, how about you, Shisan? Do you prefer eating dinner at home or do you like eating dinner outside? Mm-hmm. Yes. Wednesday. Wednesday. Mm. Okay. Yes. Okay. It's depend to the situation, event, and time. Mm. Yes. Okay, I see. So it's important to go outside to for bonding, to for experience and to try foods, right? Just like today, special. It's a something special day. Yes. Okay, thank you, Yoshi-san. Let's have exercise number two. Let's read the dialogue together. We have A and B. You will read letter A first, and then I will be letter B, and let's switch rules after, okay? Sure. Are you starving? It's your fault. You woke up late. I won't let you starve. I have to stop for gas anyway, and you can eat then. Maybe for about 15 minutes. Okay? Thank you so much. Let's switch rules. I will be letter A this time and you can read letter B. Okay? Let's start. Can we stop for lunch soon? I'm almost starving. Don't forget, I didn't eat any breakfast. Well, I slept late too. I had a lot of things to do last night. hmm How long should I wait before we go to the gas station? Okay, thank you so much. So, how about do you have questions for this dialogue? Okay, thank you so much. All right, so sometimes this happen, especially when you're working, skipping meals or forgetting to eat. Does that happens to you? Mm, I see. Okay, okay, but okay. The important is right now you're not skipping meals anymore. Okay. Thank you so much. Let's go to exercise number 3. Let's have review vocabulary. So let's read the following words, expression used in the dialogue, and make sample sentences using them. Are you ready? Mm. mm-hmm. Oh. Wow. Okay, thank you so much. Wow. So that happens. Udon. It's really famous. It's a white noodle, correct? Ah. I see. Okay. Thank you so much. Let's go with number 2. Mm-hmm. Wow. 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 Mm. Creative mind. Wow. Wow, I see. So you tried. You thought it is this is for you. Yeah, but your talent you think is not enough to do it so you change your career. Journalist, some a novelist, okay? Yes. Mhm. I see. Wow. R- Really? Wow. Okay, I see. That's good to know. So you still have the talent and you still have the creativity because you were able. You tried. Yes, habits, just like a hobby. Okay. Yes, okay. Writing is one way to express your feelings and your thoughts and your emotions. So it's a very good hobby for to person expressing. Yeah. Yes. Yes, exactly. You just don't change your mind, but also your readers. It will also help them change their minds, their perspective. Will adapt. Wow. Wow. That's good to know. Okay. Thank you so much for sharing me this experience. Yeah, I learned a lot and I hope um you you still have time to enjoy what you did, just like remembering all these times, right? Okay. Uh-huh. I see, I see. Okay, good to know. Thank you so much, Yushi-san. Let's go to exercise number 4. Are you ready? Okay. Comprehension questions. Please answer the following question. Number 1, please read and answer. Okay. Thank you. Okay, so number 1, why is one hungry? Mm. Okay, very good. So not eating is one of the reason as well, right? Okay. Thank you so much for the answer. Let's go for number 2. How about this time? What time do you sleep at night? Do you prefer sleeping late to eating breakfast? I love it. Mm. I see. Oh, I see. Okay, it's because of age as well that affects you. You're very sensitive with your sleep. Okay, okay. Thank you so much for that, for your answer. Let's go with number 3. Are you ready? Okay. So, is breakfast a large meal in your country? Mm. Mm-hmm. Oh, it's ah. Yes. Okay, I see. Yeah, even I think even in my country, the most the large meal is always the dinner, right? Because you still have time, a lot of time to prepare and to do grocery for your foods. Okay, let's go with number 4 now. Have you ever starved and why and what happened? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I see. Okay, thank you so much for that answer. Let's go with number 5. Have you experienced eating at a gas station and how was it? Yes. Oh, yes, exactly. Okay. Mm-hmm. It's not common. It's in convenience store, like 7-Eleven, right? They prepare, yeah, chair and table, yeah, just like inside or outside their stores, so people can have, yeah. Y- yes, but inside the next to the gas station, there's most of the time there is convenience store. So just like that. So you, yeah, yeah. So it's not in the gas station, but in the convenience store. Maybe you can just park. Sometimes there's small store next to the station, but not exactly in the station, in the gasoline station. I think it's the gas smell is not good. Yeah. Yes, I think so. Sometimes they're connected. Yes, the smell of the gasoline. It's not healthy. All right, to stay there for a long time. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, let's go now to exercise number 5. Let's have your perspective. Do you agree or disagree? And can you please explain why? Number 1, skipping meal is one of the way to lose weight. Okay. Ah. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Oh, yes. Okay. Proper diet. Just slowly, but eat on time. Ah, really? Okay. I will remember that one. Thank you so much. So it's important to eat on time than skipping meals than eating a lot for lunch, something like that. It will cause more fat than eating three times. Okay, I see. Thank you so much for that. I would remember and apply to my daily routine. Okay. A last question, Yoshi-san. Do you believe? Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. Okay. Thank you so much for your day. Thank you so much for your time. I really had great time. Do you have any questions? Okay. Thank you and enjoy your day and your night. Have a great day. Bye bye. See you.